This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. The jack handle and wheel brace are located in a stowage compartment in the front right-hand stepwell. Release the catches and remove the stowage compartment cover. Then unclip the retaining straps and remove the jack, handle and wheel brace. To access the mechanism that lowers the spare wheel, locate the guide hole, which will either be above the bumper, right of centre, or on the right-hand side of the vehicle behind the rear wheel. Where fitted, unscrew the security bolt located above the guide hole. Insert the flat end of the wheel brace or the short arm of the jack handle, according to model, into the guide hole and engage the mechanism. Turn the wheel brace or jack handle anti-clockwise until the spare wheel rests on the ground and there is slack in the cable. Slide the spare wheel out from under the vehicle and disengage the cable bracket by unscrewing the wing nut. Pull off the plastic caps, then slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear bolts for the front subframe, or rear axle as applicable. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the studs, then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts securely. The wheel nuts should be tightened to the specified torque at the earliest opportunity. Refit the plastic caps. Engage the cable bracket with the punctured wheel and tighten the wing nut. Raise the mechanism and secure the wheel. Refit and tighten the security bolt. Stow the various tools and remove the stepwell panel. Don't forget to remove the chocks.